boys and girls. Today we're going to read a book called Kitty and the Birds, and this is a level C. Remember, whenever we get ready to read a book, let's think about what we should do as good readers. Look at the picture, think about the story. Does it make sense and does it look right? And then try it again. Go back and reread if you need to. This is my favorite book. I hope you like it as much as I do. In this story, Kitty is hungry. I wonder what Kitty would like to eat. There's Kitty. Kitty wants to eat that bird, but all the birds are up in the tree and they're looking down at Kitty and they're saying, "Naughty kitty, naughty kitty, naughty kitty." So Kitty goes to his owner and his owner has him come into the house and he says, "Here you are, Kitty." Well, after Kitty gets a full belly, he decides to take a nap on the bed. And outside of the window, the birds are so happy they're singing. And they're singing, "Cheep, cheep, cheep, Kitty is asleep, Kitty is asleep, cheep, cheep, cheep." Okay, now it's going to be your turn to read. I'm going to show you page by page. That's the end of our story. See you later.